Well, an accident reconstruction specialist is back on the stand in the Karen Reed murder trial. But as WBZ's Penny Commit shows us, he is now answering questions from the defense, who claims John O'Keefe did not die from being hit by a car.
This morning, the defense had the chance to cross-examine that crash reconstruction specialist that we heard from on Friday. Now, that specialist claims that data collected from Karen Reed's car is consistent with the pedestrian strike. But her attorneys argue that that doesn't necessarily mean that she hit John O'Keefe.
The operator appeared to be Karen Reed, and the pedestrian was John O'Keefe.
Trooper Joseph Paul returned to the stand this morning, and even during tense cross-examination, the crash reconstruction specialist stood by his testimony from Friday. Trooper Paul claims that data taken from a server inside of Karen Reed's car shows that on January 29th, Karen's car traveled in reverse, 62.5 feet, from 0 to 24.2 miles per hour.
So the accelerator is at a constant rate, and then it just drops by half a mile, and the steering wheel all of a sudden abruptly goes to the right. That's what I'm talking about when I say it is consistent with a pedestrian strike.
But the defense argued those movements could have occurred due to the snow. They also questioned Trooper Paul about the specifics of the crime scene. Like, where exactly did John O'Keefe allegedly make contact with Karen's car? Why did his body land 30 feet away? And what happened to the cocktail glass he was said to have been holding?
Based on your expert opinion, you believe that he was projected through the air to his final rest place.
That's not what I was saying.
But you said there's no evidence that he rolled.
And there's no evidence that he flew through the air either.
Exactly.
I didn't put the evidence there, so.
Well, you didn't.
Trooper Paul also testified that John O'Keefe was hit by Karen Reed's taillight on his arm, causing the taillight to shatter and explaining those abrasions that were found on his forearms. But he couldn't explain why John O'Keefe didn't have any broken bones or fractures. In Dedham, I'm Penny Commit, WBZ News.
You can watch the live stream of the Karen Reed trial on CBS News Boston. Find our streaming service by going to the CBS News app, Pluto TV, or WBZ.com.